Okay, I said that before coming, I didn't know what will happen here. The kind of food we eat, where we sleep, and a whole lot of things. But when we got here, it's like more like home. And even some of the food are not familiar. It's okay. And then I think the thing is well organized and very well organized. Especially when we go and the food is not familiar, we can't really give us food. And we can eat and eat and eat and eat and eat, so we see it's okay. So I think that this is a very nice, and I'm very happy.
Okay, Roby. Few sentences, brief. Your experience so far, any reflection?
This was alright. The radio was
the food, the people, new friends, even within the Ghana group, and all that. Okay, thank you, Ashley.
I think I've been enjoying my experience here so far. Everything has been really nice and calm. I want to share like a lot of new things that like I've never really shared before. That's very, very fun.
Thank you. Mela.
The experience has been good so far. Well, before I came for the camp, I did a little research on how the place was, and I saw the thing, and I was hoping that I'm not going to miss it. But lo and behold, I didn't. And I was not happy at all. But it has taught me that I'm able to manage whatever I have. And some of the activities I did here showed me that actually, if I'm determined, I can overcome some of my fears.
Very good.
So, it wasn't bad, it was a great experience, and I was supposed to overcome one many fears. But then, yeah, it was a wonderful experience.
For me, this has been a great experience because coming here, just like Samuel, I did my research, and I was also hoping that I wouldn't be speaking in the tent here. But then, honestly speaking, it's just like management. It wasn't a big deal, you see. But then, for the activities, I never thought I could do the activities on the water, especially because I don't know how to swim. I mean, I tried learning how to swim, but then I was scared of water. It was good, so I was proud of myself. And then the forest things, it's only God that puts me on the road. Yes, I just thank God for the time and everything. I'll never do it again, but
Okay, thank you. Hasana.
And I also
You think that is
like the forest life and the food too. I like the I've had a great experience. I came from here. The first time was nice. The weather was not too bad. Yeah. I've had a good time. Yeah, that's so far the experience has been okay. When I was coming, I didn't really know a lot, but the experience has been.
I've been thankful for this experience. I got to try new things and old things I like, and I guess I have to say that I accomplished some of my fears, even though they're practically small, but then yeah, I enjoyed myself.
I think this was very fun, and I made some new friends. Even though I wasn't able to mingle with the Europeans, but it was very fun.
Okay, so far all the activities were amazing, and I wasn't able to do a lot of them because I'm scared of almost everything. But their food was
nice, and so far the people too. I've enjoyed myself so far. That people were nice. I've tried activities that I've not done before, and I've also made new friends.
Thank you. Next person.
Well, it's been fun doing new things because I never did new things, but I actually did. The food was kind of questionable, but yeah, I was able to eat it. Yeah, it was a nice experience.
Thank you, Yasmin.
Yeah, I've enjoyed the experience and I like most of the activities, like the forest climb, the zip line.
Alisa.
I enjoyed my time here and I was able to complete some things in my brackets.
So far, this trip has been memorable. At first, when I came here, I thought I wouldn't be able to adjust with everyone because I was practically like older than most people. But at the end of the day, I was able to make. At the end of the day, I've been able to make new friends. I've been able to face my fears and try out some new things. So yeah, I'm grateful.
Yeah, just to let you know, we have 5 students that are in the university. So.
It's been a nice experience being here, and the Dutch people are very welcoming. Especially when you went to the Dutch dining camps, how they welcome us and how they do their things there. I think it's amazing. I've made new friends.
So far, my experience has been good and I enjoyed myself. Most of them were scary, but I overcame some of my fears and I enjoyed myself.
It has been fun so far. I've gotten the chance to try new activities I've never done before, and I've made new friends, and I've also conquered my fear of heights through the forest climbing. So I'm grateful.
That's good.
I've noticed that the activities were fun. The Dutch people are very interactive and the weather is
The trip was fun, and I've made new friends like fast too. Thank you.
So far, the experience was nice, and then I've learned how to do that.
First of all, let's thank God for my life. I've done things I would never do. One thing I've learned is that to conquer your fears, you have to take the big step.
You have to do what?
Take the big step. Boys, it's been a fun experience. We enjoyed some good moments. And I really like the activities and I hope we get up soon.
So far, I really enjoyed myself. Got to make some new friends, reunite an old friend, and do some activities which I hope to do again, especially the forest climbing, and prove some people wrong that I can do the 200 meters, the 2 meters one.
Yes, please.
I've had a great time. I really like most of the activities, especially the forest climbing. And I'll never do some of them again, like the canoe. Thank you.
Oh, that's my favorite one. Is he okay? Okay, that will be first day of shopping.
And to be honest, when I came here first and I saw the tents, I started regretting coming here because I didn't want to like sleep in the tents because of bug and everything. But the experience was actually very fun, and there are some things I will never try before.
Yeah, we are.
I like the weather in the
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Trip was really fun. And I got to meet that never again. And I really enjoyed it. I'm glad to be here actually, for things that I didn't want to try, but then I had people to motivate me to just try.
All of you, Nagali and the
surprising because I was ever ready to try out something new, so I think it has been great.
Thank you. I think I work for Edinburgh, so I'm happy everyone is having fun, so that's all I can say.
Thank you. Mr. Anthony.
Okay, I think we are all talking about fun. There's one culture that all of us have to adopt. Time management. When you look at the other countries, their time management. When they are going for breakfast, they move as a team. But we have formed a group and we go in a group form. I think we have to change that culture and go to our country with time management. That's it.
Very loud about. Thank you so much. Auntie Gifty.
Hello. Hi. Yeah, it's been a nice experience. I've enjoyed myself. Yes, you can see that I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed everybody. I've made new friends as well. Those of you who want to come to Christian High, you're welcome.
I would say that I've enjoyed this year's group so much. Lovely ladies and lovely gentlemen. And it's been nice interacting with all of you, doing some activities with you. I've really had an interesting time. And I'm glad that you've all had a good time here. Thank you.
Okay. Uncle Ernest.
Well, I wasn't in Ghana when you had your pre-departure and everything, so I didn't know any of you. So when I was coming, I was so shy. But I must say, you guys are very, very receptive. You know, you welcome me. But I must say, there's only one person who has impacted on me. That guy came over his fears. He did some things that age. In as much as I pushed you, you know, it's for your own good. Okay, and for that reason, I've got a special present for you. So see me in chamber.
Yeah, so it's been an amazing experience so far, and I think this group has been very excellent. It's bigger than the previous groups that we had, and in fact I'm looking forward to seeing your other friends who are not here next year. So when you go, spread the news, tell them about Edinburgh, and then if you can come along with them, that's good. But try and then make sure that you bring as many people on board for next year's trip as well. I'll be looking forward to that. Thank you very much.
So far, so good. It's like the first half of the experience. As we prepare for the second half. What I'll tell you is, you're not just making fun and you're not just having fun and making friends. You're making lifetime experience. So whatever you find yourself, make the best out of your time. Okay, all right.
There was a question from your colleague that this is a village, like in Ghana, let's say like somewhere that you won't even go. But the person just said that here is so nice than even Accra, our capital town. Why do you think it's so? Any idea? Yes, go ahead.
I think it's because they are able to work very well with each other. They are very respectful and they manage their time well and they keep the place clean and the government supports them very well.
Okay, very good. Any other reason?
Someone said something behind me. If the person can say it out. Someone said something.
the confidence level. If you have something to say,
Speak
whether
up.
it's wrong or right, just
From behind me, as soon as Uncle Eddie asked the question, the person came up with an answer.
Maybe it's easy.
Okay, I will go ahead.
I feel like because like they built the things themselves, they respect what they work to achieve, and they make sure it stays. Am I making sense?
Yes. Do you understand what she said?
Yes.
It's like fighting for your own money. If you fight for if you work for your own money, that somebody giving it to you, it's two different things. Okay. First of all, you know, we've done this trip for some time now, and every year I pick something unique from the group. This year's group, you have something unique, and you should all keep it up. You are the fastest integrated campus we've ever had, ever since we started. I'll say it again. Every year, last year, they had their own style, and then most of the time, you have to let people know their positive side. You are the fastest integrated campus I've ever come across. You go here, let's say, you go here around 11. By 6 o'clock, it's like you guys have lived here for like 1 week.
People found why.
And just clap for yourself. Yes, some of you know, the concept of summer camp is new to most Ghanaians. In one of my orientations, I said this. Most of us, we travel with our parents to Dubai, to wherever. I'm just giving Dubai as an example. Everything is about tourism. We stay in a hotel. When I started traveling with people, I'm very early age, we used to do the same thing. Then, in the course of the business that I do, I started coming with innovative ideas myself and Auntie, and we realized that summer camp is an added value, you know, in nurturing children. And as Mr. Anthony said, look at the other groups that are from here. Look at their time management. From morning to evening, it's like robot. Everything is scheduled and then they do it on time. Guess what? You guys think you can do it, but the almost 6 days that you've spent here, you've done an amazing, you know, transformation. And clap for yourself once again.